Personal finance is a term for managing your money as well as saving and investing. It includes topics like budgeting, banking, insurance, investing, retirement planning, and tax planning. Hey friends, welcome to the first part of my series on personal finances for students in Germany. If you are new here, my name is Essen. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we explore the strategies and tools that can help us achieve financial freedom. As a student, financial planning is probably the last thing on your mind. Being a student is seen as a time of finding your passion, paving your career path, and having fun. But financial decisions you make as a student remain with you throughout your life for years and even decades. Even though education in Germany is free, with the exception of one state, accumulation of debt is quite common, especially after the pandemic. This can have repercussions in your future, for example, by affecting your credit score negatively or hampering your ability to save for retirement. From the place you live to what you eat, all of these decisions will affect your life once you're done with being a student. So minimizing your debt now will make life much easier later on. If you're liking this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. So one question that might come to your mind is, why should I care about personal finances? Let me ask you, where do you see yourself in 5 years? I know it's a very difficult question to answer, but indulge me for a second. Most of you might think I would be finished with my studies, having a great job, vacations all over the world, and maybe a nice car. Sure, some might be able to achieve this goal, but for many this will not be the reality. I'm not saying this to demotivate you. On the contrary, I want you to realize that this is not a reality for many, especially for those who do not take care of their finances. Students generally live modestly, but some often splurge and buy expensive things. Yes, getting a phone on contract can be very enticing. 50 euros per month for the latest iPhone might seem cheap, but do you really need all of those features? Do you actually use them? After finishing your studies and getting a job, your lifestyle would also inflate. Now that you're used to 50 euros per month for a mobile phone, 70 euros would not mean anything. Why stop there? Why not get a car? You can get one on relatively decent rates. 100 euros to get started with? Why not? Things keep piling on, and this becomes a habit for life. So starting early becomes absolutely critical. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the first step you need to take in order to get started. Thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.